Hello everyone, my name is Dream and welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this beautiful dress out of a very beautiful pleated fabric I found. There were so many different color options in it and it was getting very confusing to be honest. So I went with the first one itself only. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Before that, अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में समझना हो then please make sure आप सबटाइटल ऑन करें और उसमें हिंदी लैंग्वेज को सिलेक्ट करें. इससे आपको हिंदी में सबटाइटल्स आ जाएंगे. I hope ये समझने में आपको ज़्यादा आसानी होगी. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
This is the basic pattern with shoulder, chest, waist and the length measurement. Measure your shoulder strap, divide it in half and draw a straight line. Measure how low you want from your shoulders. I kept it about 6 inches. Mark it and connect it to the armhole. Measure how deep you want your neckline to be and connect that as well. Cut out the pattern. The pattern will be same for the front and back. Place it on a folded lining fabric and draw it in place. We will need 2 such pieces for front and back. Leaving a little bit of seam allowance and cut it out. For the skirt, place the cutout on top and mark it. Measure how long you want your skirt to be from here and here as well. From this point, spread out a little, keeping the same length. We are making A-line skirt. Connect all the dots. Keeping ½ inch of seam allowance, cut it out. We will need 2 such pieces. With the help of the lining fabric, cut out your main fabric accordingly. Place the main fabric on the lining fabric and secure it in place so it doesn't loses its shape due to stretching or anything else, like so. I'm trimming out the extra from the bottom. Place the skirt piece together and put the top facing right sides together. Pin it in place and secure it with a straight stitch. Similarly, do it for the other as well. Once both are ready, facing right sides together, pin them and close it from the sides. I kept the skirt separate, but if you want, you can stitch the lining and the main fabric together. For making the top ruffle, place the same pattern on folded fabric and cut it out a little bigger from the bottom and spread it away a little from the sides like so. Similarly, create the other ruffle as well. Place the ruffle on the right sides of the dress like so. You need to attach the ruffle at the neckline and the armhole with a straight stitch. Similarly, do it on the back side as well. Secure it with a straight stitch. Flip the ruffle up and close it from the sides so the all raw edges of it goes inside when you put it down. Once everything is done, let's hem the top part. Iron the fabric and make it neat and straight as much as you can. And cut out 1 inch strips. Place it on inside like so and secure it. Flip it out and fold it twice and top stitch it down like so. Similarly, hem the armhole part as well. The last part, the straps, take 1-inch strip long enough, fold it in half and close it down. With the help of safety pin, turn it inside out. Cut it in half, fold a little in the end and pin it on place like so. Secure it, try it out and shorten the length of the strap if you want. Similarly, secure the strap on the other sides as well. For hemming the bottom, double fold the lining fabric and secure it. For the main fabric, you need to do beading, which we do in saris. You need to hem both the bottom and the top ruffle the same way. And you're done!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the transformation and found it helpful. I hope I inspired you a little bit to do something or the other. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion transformation. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account. Please stay safe, double mask, sanitize and take care of yourself. And I will see you in my next one. Until then, dream! Bye!